All right, y'all, so it was raining yesterday and I was out there without my umbrella because my umbrella was in P's car. So I'm gonna have to nip this in the bud. I feel something trying to rise up and that cannot happen. But anyway, today is retie number 8. And I go when I get off work, and one thing that's different this month is usually when I get my hair done the day before or the day of, and mostly the day of. No, not the day before. I've never done the day before. The day of, the morning of, I always go ahead and shampoo my hair. However, this time I didn't get to do that. I actually shampooed my hair Saturday, the previous Saturday, where I did the video where I did the twist out with the middle part, and this is still what I'm rocking pretty much from Saturday, and I just did not get the chance. And this morning, that was one of the things that was on my agenda, but when I woke up and I felt, and my allergies already mess up on me, so the sniffling could be from my allergies, or the sniffing could be from this little bit I'm trying to get up in my throat. But anyway, I digress. So let me show you what it's looking like. So here is the middle, and let's look at the left side. So I do know I have some slippage in my hair. I have felt it. I can tell it. The one thing I'm glad about though this week while I've done my middle part is usually when I don't do my middle part, I put some gel on my edges and lay my edges down when my edges are out. But I do that this time because of the fact that I've been wearing a middle part, and when I wear a middle part, I don't do that. And so anyway, I'm about to go ahead and get out of here and take my butt to work. I gotta make 2 stops. I need to get me some cough drops, and I need to try to get my coffee. So I'll see you guys later. Hey, what's up? It's Alifia coming back in with another video. And this video is going to be my 8-month update on my Sisterlocks. So if you are interested in what I have to say about my lock journey, please continue to watch. All right, so first off, let me go ahead and do my middle part because that's how I said that I would do my updates, with a middle part. But I've been wearing a middle part for about 3 weeks now, maybe 4, but I'm just ready to rock a side part. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this 360. So as you can see, here is the middle. Let's look at this side. No, wrong side. This side first. Now let's move to this side. Alright, so that is my 360 of my hair and where it's at. Today I actually shampooed my hair and it's the 17th. So the video footage that you're gonna see before this footage is of me on the 6th, I believe it was, when I got my retightening. Yes, it was on February the 6th. And my next appointment is March the 8th at 6:30 a.m. It's a Sunday morning at 6:30 a.m. where I go get my next retightening. And so the reason why, and today is the 17th, so the reason why I did not come in, and I'm just now coming in with my update, is because I got sick the day that I got my hair retightened. The day before that, I had gotten rain in my head a couple of times, and because my umbrella was in P's car and I was running around knowing I shouldn't have been doing that. And then the cold hit me, and right now my voice is getting better, and I still have a little bit of a cough, but it has gotten much better. So the day that I actually got my hair retightened, I started to feel myself like getting weaker, getting sick. And then by the time I made it home that night, and I wanted to get on and record, but I just did not feel up to it. And then the next morning, my voice was gone. I felt like a truck had rolled over me. So that is why I'm just now coming in with this update. So I do have some other videos that I am going to upload that I've recorded, but I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I get this one uploaded before some of the other ones so that I can go ahead and give y'all this update. So anyway, and I see my battery is blinking, so we're gonna see how much we can get through. So with this particular retightening, it did hurt. For a couple of days, my head was sore. I actually took Tylenol before I went to get my hair retightened, but at any rate, it did not help at all. My head was hurting. So, but you know, of course I got past it. So like I said, can you guys believe I am 4 months away from 1 year on this Sisterlock journey? And I'm still just as excited about it right now as I was when I initially got my hair locked. It's just like, I'm loving it. I'm loving it, you know? So that's where I'm at now with my hair. So like I said, my next retightening is on March the 8th at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. And I think the last time we had like 5 weeks in between, because I think January was a long month. So there's nothing really new between the last time and this time that I would like to share, other than the fact that I have gone a little longer without shampooing my hair. So today I shampooed my hair, and whew, I needed. I was ready to shampoo my hair. Oh, and today I actually tried the first shampoo, because I always shampoo my hair twice when I get in the shower. I did the first shampoo with Dawn. I went ahead and tried the Dawn trick this time. Well, it's not a trick. I just tried Dawn. And then the second shampoo, I used the Suave Daily Clarifying to shampoo my hair. And so that is how I did shampoo my hair today, what I used to shampoo my hair. Other than that, you know, I do still feel like my hair is growing. I see some growth. One of my friends at work, she said that she thought my hair wasn't growing that much, but I was like, yes, it has. My hair has grown significantly. As a matter of fact, you're gonna see a video after this one where my hair looked so limp and lifeless. I don't know what I did, but my hair just looked flat. But now it's clean and it's fluffy. But yeah, she said, and I'm like, no, my hair has grown significantly. And so I go and I pull some and I show her the length. I mean, look at that. My hair has grown significantly, at least in my opinion it has. Even look at the back. Because when I first got it done, my hair didn't even touch on my neck like it is now. So, I mean, but yeah. So, I mean, it may not be growing as fast as some other people's. And like, she has traditional locks, and she said her traditional locks just took off. So, I mean, but I think I do have some shrinkage. And like I told her, it could be the shrinkage, but for the most part, I've seen some growth. So I've done a lot of recording in the last couple of days, so this battery is really blinking. So before it cuts me off, I'm going to go ahead and get off of this video. And if there's anything that I can think of, that I would like to share, I'll share it in my 9th month update. But once again, like I said, I cannot believe it's almost a year. We are in February, and June would be a year since I've gotten my Sisterlocks. So yeah, I'm still in it for the long haul. I'm still enjoying this journey. I've thought about combining my locks. I've thought about some other things. Combining my locks is still a thought that's in my head, but of course P is dead set against it, so that's a battle that I would have to fight if I did go ahead and decide to combine my locks. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, and get out of here before this battery just goes completely out. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave those comments, those questions down in the comment section, as well as if you have a comment, leave that down in the comment section as well. I definitely appreciate you stepping back in for another video. If you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, as well as the bell for notifications, and go ahead and like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one.